Hello, this is Lloyd Kim. I will show you how to OBS audio problem to you. Now it's playing the music from the YouTube channel, but OBS cannot detect the audio. So I have to download one more thing. Even OBS is the I show you audio capture. This is get some music or audio file from the Mac to OBS. So download it and then install it first. Just double click and continue and install it. After that, restart the MacBook or desktop. And we have to set one more option. Open the audio MIDI and then check I show you audio and put in output. And then set it from the audio, the multi output, the right on the top, click the audio button, and then add audio or input capture from the OBS. And then check the I show you audio capture. You can see one more. This added one more I show you audio capture, and you have to open the OBS from the terminal. Copy the statement and then open the terminal, and then paste the statement and just enter. You already open the OBS like this one. And finally you can see the audio working is good. That's everything. Just easy. I will write down the link, the content in the YouTube. Okay. Thank you.